So here a circle with center at O is given, in which AB is tangent to it. This angle A is x degrees and angle OCB is given as twice of x. Now we need to find the value of x. In order to solve this question, first of all we must know about property of tangent to a circle. If we have an external point and a tangent is drawn to a circle, then the points joining the center of the circle to the point of contact is always perpendicular to the tangent. Hence, OB will be perpendicular to AB. This will be 90 degrees. Also, if we see, OC is the radius of the circle, OB is also the radius of the circle, and hence this length is equal to this length. This in turn will give us angle OBC also equal to 2x degrees. This is the property. Now let us focus on triangle ABC. Let me draw it. This is vertex A and the internal angle is x degrees. Vertex C 2x degrees, and this is B. This is 90 plus 2x. Using angle sum property of a triangle, we can write x plus 2x plus 90 plus 2x equals 180 degree. X plus 2x will give us 5x plus 90 degree equals 180 degree. So 5x will be equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. X will be 90 upon 5, which will give us 18. So the value of x is 18 degrees.